Institution Society. 11th State Level Sports Meet 2025-26 in competitions.
National medals 4, national participants 9, state medals 26, state participants 80.
గారికి ఈ సభాపక్షాన స్వాగతం.
May I invite Kirtana?
ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ప్రారంభించాలన్న మహనీయుల చిత్రపటాలకు పూలమాలంకరణ చేయటం
Tricolor is flying high in the open sky with a reminder that we would perform our best and ensure that we will make our flag fly high and make it proud. Thank you, dignitaries, for doing the... Just like Olympics have produced n number of sports players, I'm sure these sports meets also will give us n number of athletes who would...
declare the Telangana Social Welfare Residential Educational Institutional Society 11th State Level Sports Meet 2025-26 open.
Again, thank you, ma'am, for your gracious presence. Stand along the line with the collector definitely would inspire these girls one day.
Next time మీరు పోలీస్ బ్యాండ్ తో కంపీట్ చేస్తారు వాస్తవాలు చేస్తారు.
I believe with today's participation, these girls have taken.
One and all. So firstly, I would like to welcome all the students who are coming here from across the state. We are very happy to host the 11th sports meet, the state level sports meet in Sangareddy today. So firstly, I welcome you all your teachers, faculty and PETs who are participating here today. So first and foremost, I would also like to congratulate everybody who is participating here today because you're here at the state level sports meet, which means you have taken the step to first participate at your school level competition, you have participated at your district level, you have participated at your zonal level, and today successfully you're here to participate at the state level competitions. So which means you've already come a very long way, and I congratulate each and every one of you for making it this far. Secondly, now that you're here, these 3 days are going to be very important. It is going to give you sufficient experience, it is going to give you sufficient knowledge, and it is also going to help you make a lot of friends here from across the state. So I hope that when you participate in these games for the next 3 days, you participate with your complete body, spirit and your soul, and that you follow all the rules of the game, and you take the entire 3 days in a sportsmanship manner where you play with team spirit and with integrity. Today, all of you here are standing as the sports persons representing your respective school or your colleges. But I hope to see someday that a lot of you from this particular field here today representing our state, representing our country at national and international levels. I'm very proud of the accomplishments that you all have already shown. Your principal and your DCO Garu was earlier mentioning about the number of in the jobs that you apply for in the future, in your college applications, and also to be in a better position to take up any career in the future. It could be as a sports person, it could be as a coach, it could be in any other profession which requires physical fitness, mental clarity, and also the ability to handle field situations. So there is a bright future for every girl who's looking up to sports as a way ahead, and I sincerely encourage each and one of you to make it a part of your day-to-day life also. So apart from it being a part of your careers, it should also become your daily routine. Health and fitness is something which is very important, especially for girls, because once you fall ill, you will not be able to study, you will not be able to take care of yourself or anybody around you. So it is very important that you stay fit, you stay active, and even though you have exams, even though you move to a different college or your jobs at a later date, you should ensure that you are being fit every day, that you play sports in some form or the other. And last but not the least, I believe that sports always gives you a better personality, it makes you a better person, because you learn how to work with a team, you learn how to play with a team of people, you know how to handle stressful situations and complex situations, and it will always ensure that you are on the right path to success. So I wish all of you all the very best for all your futures, and I would also like to thank all the PETs and PDs who are participating here today, who have taken the effort to bring their students from their respective schools and make them shine in every possible way. Because a sports person is truly identified only by their coach and their PET, therefore it is very important that you play a greater role in their lives and encourage them to achieve for the highest level of medals, highest level of competitions that there is, and without your support they will not be able to do this. And I also thank the but this should not be one person or two people, but we should have a room full of girls who are participating at the international level and are representing our country proudly. So today in the state of Telangana, we have seen that Honorable CM Sir and the entire sports department, SAT, Sports Authority, all of them are making a lot of effort to encourage sports, especially among girls, and we hope that the steps being taken by the state will help you achieve your goals. Today you're all from the social welfare residential schools where you're getting equal opportunity for not just education but also your extracurricular activities and your sports. We have 35 academies where specific sport is being encouraged by experienced coaches. So this is a novel step which is not being taken up in any other state, and we hope that this step will encourage you to participate on a professional level at all the national and international sports competitions. Sports is not something that is just up in sports with participation in, say, SGFI at the state level, at the national level. You will definitely have an opportunity for getting principal and their vice principal, their entire staff, for making the arrangements and being the host here today. And we sincerely hope that we have more such activities where we are able to encourage the entire community of girls who are from our social welfare, tribal welfare and BC welfare to participate in events at the national and the international level. So I thank you all for participating, and I wish everyone all the very best. If you win a medal or not, that is not important. It is important that you participate, that you've made it this far, and that you carry happy memories from here. Thank you one and all.